Hello, my name is Boldizsár from Hungary. I have had 3 lessons till today. At the first time I felt nervous because there was a lot of new people and I needed to talk a different language. But now I don't feel nervous. I'm enjoying to make new friendships and talking about interesting things. I think it's very useful and help to improve my English. It's a very good training for everyone.
Hi, I'm Valeria.
Hi, my name is Martina and I'm from Italy.
I'm Spanish and I started this conversation club 3 weeks ago.
Through this course, I have met new friends. In the beginning, I felt nervous to start, but after the first meeting, I have felt more confident.
The 3 girls I talked to, they were all nice.
I was a little bit nervous to start because I didn't know anyone, but now I have friends from all over the...
I just made 3 classes, but I've learned it more than in a traditional course.
I'm very happy that I have all understood it well.
At first I was quite nervous, but now I'm not that shy and I'm not more confident.
Was I nervous? Yes, in the first hour, but now I wasn't.
About the course, I enjoy most the opportunity to meet new friends from all over the world, and it is helping me to improve my English.
And did it help my English? Yes, I think so, because I only speak English with my English teacher and I hope it helps my speech.
It's really helping my English and I really enjoy talking with them. So it's a win-win because I learn English and I met new friends.
Thanks to the English, I know how to explain myself better, and I made some friends that are from other countries and we have to speak English and it's so difficult. To conclude, this is a very useful and fun class.
I wish you a nice day. Bye bye.